has created yet smart hand dryer, which stands out from the rest because of its high performance. It is made of high quality and sturdiness ABS, white, black, silver and graphite. The hand drying area is made of antibacterial ABS injected with silver ions. It is equipped with an antibacterial HEPA filter to protect the environment. Low consumption. The air changes from hot to cold depending on room temperature. The heating element disconnects automatically if room temperature is over 25 degrees, saving energy. Warning luminous display. LED lights in all 4 air outlets. Color change depending on air temperature. Hot, cold. Low noise. 65 decibels. Air is expelled, creating a curtain to cover a larger drying surface. Air speed is 540 km/h. Hands are dry in only 10 seconds, so it is especially recommended for places with high traffic of people. Attractive design, reduced dimensions and volume, fits in any kind of place. Half-liter deposit at the bottom to collect water. Easy to remove. Designed and manufactured by Hoffel in the European Union, homologated and certified by CE. Jet Smart, the perfect hand dryer.